Hey guys, comment nou ye? Jodi a nou vini avek an lot video pou nou. Challenge sa rele. Ki yo se, baby? Challenge sa rele. Hey guys, say hi guys. Wave. Say hi. Smile. Jodi a say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Bonsoir, bonjour. Ça dépend de le wap gade video sa. Jodi an a fon video kote nou pal fon challenge. Say challenge. Jodi am gen 3 baby food. Ti moun yo poko wè ki sa liye. Ma fè ou goute li, wè. Ma moutre nou vite paske mba vle yo wè. Ouais. Baby food ça on marche pour bébé li pas jamais manger. So on me dit comme ça bon font challenge avec Timon yo pour moi si ap ka connaît qui ça lié. So ma bouche yo et puis tu me vas mettre qui est dans bouche et puis tout pour yo dire qui ça lié. D'accord? Dis d'accord?
D'accord.
Avant nous commencer, pas oublier like, pas oublier abonner à la chaîne nan sou boko fait ça. Dis abonner.
Dis abonner.
Pese ti cloche là. Qui a ces pese ti cloche là? Hey. Mes amis, là l'eau pour yo. Avant nous commencer, pas oublier abonner à la chaîne là, pese ti cloche là. Et puis tout, ban mon petit pouce en l'air. Et puis tout, si vous voulez pour me faire plus de vidéos avec Mara Sao, faites-moi connaître en bas commentaire. Pas oublier de quitter un bel comment pour moi. Pour nous faire nos réponses. Ok? Et puis tout, m'oublier de dire nous ça, si la fait post notification shout out, ma bay mon shout out. Depuis ou abonne à la chaîne là ou bay vidéo ça on like et puis tout ou fait un bel petit commentaire en bas ou fait connaître que ou fait tout ça yo m'a bon bel shout out dans next video moi, OK? Et mais OK, on nous commence avec vidéo. Say let's get to the video.
Let's get to the video.
Louder! All right, bye.
Bye.
I need to cover your eyes. Wait, ça toi petit. Don't touch nothing.
Mommy,
Uh-huh.
can I see?
Nope.
Mommy?
Here.
Mommy?
Can you see me?
Mommy? Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Can they go back home and see me? Can I see that?
Okay, are you ready?
Yes. Yes. I want to see.
I need your hand. I need your mouth, guys. Come here. Here. What flavor is that? You want to smell it? Kia, no. You can't do that. What flavor is it?
Inside my eyes. It's a banana food.
You said it's banana?
Mm-hmm.
Kia, what you think it is?
It's banana.
You think it's banana?
Mm-hmm. I think you can close my eye.
You want to taste it again?
Yes.
Huh? Close your eyes, Kiki. Here, Kiki. Which kind is that? What does it taste like?
It's American.
It's not. Smell it. Smell it, Kiki.
It smells like yucky.
Yucky. So, Fook, you said it's banana?
Yes.
Kia, what kind is it? Banana? Close your eyes. Banana?
It's looking like bananas.
Well, Kia, open. Guess what? Melly, oui? You did banana liye. It is apple and pumpkin.
Apple and pumpkin.
Ça, c'est pomme avec chou. Non, pas chou. Pomme avec
I like your red duck.
jumeau. Mais on dit comme ça, c'est banana liye, fig liye.
I like the red duck.
Mhm. Quand on va faire goûter ça, bon, moi, si après again.
And you see Daddy. That's his kind sense.
Okay. Minnie, you ready?
Yes.
Ha. Which one is this one?
Apple and pumpkin.
No, ha. Here. Oh! Which one is that? You can't open your eyes. Which one is it? Oh! Go. Kill.
Disgusting.
Maki, I'm looking for this.
What?
Malia, which one is it?
This
Smell
smells like yucky.
it.
Smells like yucky.
Smell it.
Yucky.
Which one is it?
Smells like yucky.
Okay, tell me. Is it banana? Is it apple? Which one is it?
Banana. Apple and banana.
Which one is it?
I'll keep it like that.
You're gonna open it. Which one is it?
It smells like apples and bananas.
It's apples and bananas?
Like
It is not apples and bananas. It is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes.
Wait.
You like it? Emily? Maquillage que vomi. Ça c'est pomme de terre douce. Douce pomme de terre, m'pa comme qui j'en dis li. Mais ça c'est pomme de terre douce, yo dit c'est fig li. Tout bas c'est fig. One more. One more. Okay? You ready? Konya la mbal bayo li, ma pwesi yo ap ka kon ki sa liye. Cover your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Let me taste some bananas.
Ha 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 ha. Ha. What is that? What is it?
Smell like tasty.
Smell it. Which one is it?
It still smells like tasty.
Okay, tell me what flavor.
Banana.
Uh-huh.
Banana.
Yay!
Banana. Yeah. Banana.
Non tout baby food yo goûté, yo di c'est banana. On sel banana de gen. Fig me.
And yucky, yucky,
You like
yucky.
it?
Yes, yes, yes. I want banana. That's so yummy.
Comment dire Emily m'a pris te manger li parce que je t'aime pas jeter. Eat with your sister. Dis merci parce que nous te gardé vidéo ça. Dis merci.
Merci. I eat some bananas first. Goodbye, guys.
Dis bye.
Bye.
Pita.
Pizza.
Na wè nou pita. Nan manje sa? Ou vle manje?
Yucky.
Li di li pa reme. Eme ok moun yo male, yo pa reme sa. Eme moun yo mdev just fe video sa tout kout pou nou, an ti challenge pou nou. Mka chauffe channel la pou nou. Sinon eme pou mfe plus challenge avek Mara sa yo, prank bagay sa yo, fem konen an ba nan komentary yo.
Help me have some fruits
Yes.
and some vegetables.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Di mersi pasko te gade video sa. Sinon vle pou mfe plus challenge, plus video pou nou, fem konen avek Mara sa yo, fem konen
Tasty.
Fem konen nan komentary yo, pa bliye kite yon bel komentary pou nou ka fò repons.
Yucky, yucky, yucky.
Na wè ankon an lot video an. Pason bon jounen ou bien bon matin. Sa depan de le op gade video an. Mersi an pil. Pa bliye partaj avek zami ou fami ou. Avek se ou fò. Moun tout kote.
Hey.
Ma wè nou ankon. Tande? Pita. Di pita.
Ta-da.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Di mersi pasko te gade video an.
And yucky, yucky, yucky.
Ye bak ka di tout sa.
Yucky, yucky.
Say thank you for watching the video.
Yucky, yucky, yucky.
Say thank you for watching the video.
Thank you. Thank you to watching the video.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.